Hi, my name is Rachel Daher, and I'm a Lebanese Canadian who grew up in Dubai. And I'm also a proud alumna of the International Medical Doctor Program at the University Vita-Salute San Raffaele in Milan, having graduated in June 2025. Like many students approaching the end of high school, I knew I wanted to pursue medicine, but figuring out exactly where to study was a much harder decision. With so many programs and paths, narrowing it down to just one university felt very overwhelming. And that's when I happened to meet a fellow San Raffaele alum who shared their experience with me. I looked into the program and something immediately clicked. In hindsight, I can probably say with confidence it was one of the best decisions I've made. So what first drew me to San Raffaele, beyond its ranking or its reputation, was its location. Milan is obviously a very vibrant city, international and full of culture and energy. But of course, moving to Milan came with its own challenges, adapting to a new culture, living far from home, and learning a new language. Ultimately, those challenges eventually turned into opportunities. Speaking Italian opened doors not just in the hospital, but in everyday life. It also allowed me to connect with patients and integrate into a new community. One of my favorite parts of University San Raffaele was definitely its integration with one of Italy's most advanced hospitals, which is the Hospital of San Raffaele. And this allowed students to have a chance to engage in hands-on clinical experiences early on. So from our third year, we were directly in the wards learning from some of the best doctors and professors in Europe. In addition, the IMDP program also provided us with the opportunity to go beyond Milan. Throughout my studies, I was able to take part in various international clinical experiences, including at the Mount Sinai Hospital in New York, the American Hospital of Dubai, and the UMC Medical Center in Utrecht. That said, it definitely wasn't always easy. Keeping up with the workload felt very overwhelming at times. Exams can pile up, and there's lots of pressure. But ultimately, I would say the result is quite rewarding. Looking back, I think what I value the most are the relationships I made, the friendships I made with colleagues and classmates, and of course the professors and mentors who challenged and inspired me. San Raffaele really pushed me. It gave me opportunities I didn't expect, and I'm super glad I ended up there.